So let's talk about the audio. So as you can see that there is audio in this video. So now the scenario is that you don't want to use this audio from the video. So instead, you would like to add another audio file. Okay, that could be background music or voiceover, any file. Okay, so the process is, first step is select the video from the timeline like so, and then detach. So detach will detach this audio from the video. So press on the detach. Now here you can see that the bottom one, the yellow part, is the audio part. So which has been detached from the actual video file. Now we can delete this. Okay, it's already selected. Just press delete. Now let's play this video. As you can see that there is no audio in this file anymore. So the audio has been removed from the video. Okay, that is one part. Next part is, now I would like to add another audio file with this video. Okay, so the playhead is at the start of the video. Tap on the plus icon, plus, and then here we have the audio. So audio in the center of the screen. So tap on the audio, and then tap on the, let's say, soundtracks. Okay, there are different built-in soundtracks. So for example, tap on the evergreen. It is like this. So for example, if you would like to use this music, just press on the plus icon. Now this audio has been added to the video. Right now it is starting from the start. So let's play this. Okay, but I would like to start this audio from the from here. Okay, not from the photo. Now the problem is that when I am dragging this audio file towards right, it's not working. So it is taking my video as well. Okay, why? Because the problem is that iMovie is considering this audio file as a background music. So that is why it is starting from the start. Now what we need to do is, but the scenario is that I don't want this audio from the start. I want it from the video from here. That is the scenario. So in order to start this audio file from the video, we need to change this from a background music to foreground music. Right now it is a background music. Okay, so select this audio and press on the foreground button at the bottom, foreground text. Okay, foreground. Now it is a foreground audio. So let's play. It will be same. So but the benefit is that now I can move this audio separately. So I don't want it to be started from here. So tap on the audio file, and then from the yellow part, drag towards right. Okay, so I want it to be started from here. So let's play from start. So now there is no audio from in behind this photo. But now the audio has been started. Okay, so you can place this audio wherever you want. Anywhere you can extend from the yellow borders as well. Okay, now the next scenario is, so if you want to delete this, just select and then delete. So the next scenario is that in the previous video, so I have demonstrated how you can import an audio file from your iMemo. or from WhatsApp. Okay, I hope you remember this, otherwise you can go back and watch that video again. But let me demonstrate that. So let me bring one of the audio file from the iMemo. So I'm going to the iMemo utilities. So voice memo, and then I have this voice memo, न्यू रिकॉर्डिंग 8 ग्रुप है, उसके बारे में अर्ज़ करना चाहता हूँ कि मैं तो बड़ा इंजॉय कर रहा हूँ. सो फॉर एग्जांपल आई वांट टू यूज़ दिस ऑडियो in that movie. Okay, so the process you already know, I just want to demonstrate you again. So tap on the left left 3 dots, okay, in the blue color, like this, and then tap on the share, and then scroll towards right, and then press on more. So from here we are going to select the copy to iMovie. Copy to iMovie. Now it is asking you whether you want to create a new movie or just add this audio in an existing movie. So I want to add in existing, and my movie name is My Movie 18. So tap on My Movie 18. Now you can see that this recording has been imported from the iMemo into the iMovie. So let's play this. अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी, मैं कुछ अपना जो व्हाट्सएप का ग्रुप है उसके बारे में अर्ज़ करना चाहता हूँ. You can also record a voiceover in iMovie. Okay, so the first step is press on the plus icon, and then at the bottom you can see voiceover. So below the camera you can see voiceover. So tap on voiceover, and then here you can record your voice. So as you can see, there is a record button in the red color. So press on that button, and then there will be 1 2 3 counting, and then I'm going to talk. Okay, so I'm going to press record. My father name Abdul Rashid Khan. He was born in Gurdaspur, India. So once you are done, press stop. Okay, and then as you can see, there is a purple recording at the bottom. You have different options. You can accept if this is okay. You can review. You can listen this, retake, record it again, or cancel. So I'm just going to accept. So press accept, and then let's play. My father name Abdul Rashid Khan. He was born in Gurdaspur, India. You can also adjust the volume of the audio file. Okay, so tap on the audio file recording 2, and then at the bottom you can see in the center a speaker icon. So tap on that. So here you can adjust the volume. So just drag left or right to change the volume. Okay, my father name Abdul Rashid Khan. He was born in Gurdaspur, India. So now you can see the volume has been increased, or you can decrease the volume from here.